Why is the Mazda RX-7 not suitable for beginners? I'll explain everything in this video. What is going on guys, Matt here with another video, and if bago ka sa channel natin, I make car related content, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything. Ang pagbili ng first car as a car enthusiast is a very exciting moment for us. Marami sa ating car enthusiasts dream about classic JDM cars like the Supra, Skyline, Type R, and many more. And yes, this includes the famous RX-7 FD. I mean, why not, diba? It looks good, it sounds awesome, and kotse siya ni Keisuke sa Initial D. Pero as a beginner car enthusiast, should you really consider the RX-7 as a first car? Well, my personal opinion is hindi siya suitable for beginners for a number of reasons. And i-explain ko lahat in this video. First, tignan natin yung purchase price. Let's be honest, marami sa ating won't have a lot of money when you're buying your first car. Unless rich kid ka at may inheritance ka from your parents or nag-bitcoin ka ng maaga. I'm talking about the average person na bibili ng first car nila. At for the average first-time car owner, hindi suitable ang RX-7 due to its really high price. Yes, kahit 90s car siya, napakamahal pa rin. And its value will just keep going up. Bakit nga ba? Over time, maraming RX-7s ang nasira from neglect or became uneconomical to repair, at yung iba na scrap na. So, ang basic law ng supply and demand dictates that the RX-7 will become increasingly expensive over time. You're looking at millions of pesos para sa clean, good working condition na RX-7. And even then, because bibili mo siya ng second hand, hindi mo talaga masisigurado if inalagaan talaga siya ng previous owner. Another reason kung bakit sobrang mahal ng RX-7 is its cult following and popularity. At na-enhance pa ito ng Fast and the Furious. Dahil naka-exposure siya sa movies, may unique appearance, incredible performance at interesting nature, basically rear-wheel drive, rotary engine, and lightweight, the RX-7 is a car that will always have a high chance of attracting a dedicated cult following and hardcore fans. And this causes the price of the RX-7 to skyrocket. Maintenance, cost, and reliability. If fan ka talaga ng Mazda RX-7, I'm sure alam mo na these cars are expensive to maintain and repair. Kakailanganin mo ng extra budget. A lot of extra budget each year just to keep an RX-7 in good working condition. Hindi pa included yung pag-modify at pampapogi niya. Separate budget din yun. At bilang first-time car buyer ka nga, baka hindi ka maging prepared sa maintenance and repair bills that will come with an RX-7. Kung mayaman ka naman, this won't apply to you. However, if starting out ka pa lang as a teenager or in your early 20s, then chances are, hindi mo ma-afford yung maintenance bills that comes with an RX-7. Also, bear in mind, yung rotary engine ng RX-7, nagiging mahirap na din hanapan ng parts. Chances are, baka kailangan mo pang umorder abroad. Yung rotary engine niya also burns fuel by design para malubricate yung apex seals. So, you will be going through a lot of oil and also gas. Since recently nagtaas na naman yung presyo ng gas here in the Philippines, hindi mo talaga siya magiging daily driver. And being a first-time car buyer, kailangan yung bilhin mo ay suitable for daily use. And if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you like this video so YouTube recommends this video to more car enthusiasts who are looking to buy an RX-7. Practicality. Isa pang factor na na-overlook ng first-time car buyer is yung practicality. Useful ang practical car for the first-time buyer kasi you'll keep it for longer. Makakasama mo yung friends mo and yung family mo when you're driving and you'll get more value for money. At yung RX-7, sad to say, hindi talaga siya practical. Having a 2+2 seating arrangement, and yes, meron ding 2-seater lang talaga, siguro ang magkakasya lang sa likod ay maliliit na bata. Wala ding masyadong space sa trunk. Basically, if plano mo mag-summer road trips, this is not the car for you. Suitability for beginner drivers. Yes, alam natin na super appealing nga naman talaga na mag-RX-7 to start with. Pero the truth is, yung level ng power and performance isn't a good idea if you're an inexperienced driver. The RX-7 is hard to handle. Bili ka na lang ng RX-7 pag experienced driver ka na. Pero I'm sure naman by that time, mas mahal na yung RX-7. Conclusion. In conclusion, yung Mazda RX-7, any generation ha, particularly yung FD RX-7 which is yung most popular and in demand na RX-7 ay hindi talaga suitable as a first car. They're expensive to buy, expensive to maintain, impractical at too powerful and demanding for the first-time driver. Although, yes, having an exotic looking fast car as a first car sounds like an exciting idea unless only funds yung bank account mo, there is a high chance na mariregret mo having an RX-7 as a first car. If yung reason mo is to collect, store it, and use it occasionally, then baka you're in a win-win situation in terms of future classic car value. Pero as a genuine first car, hanap pa na lang muna ng iba, yung mas practical and more friendly sa wallet. Yes, napaka-cool, pogi at exciting ng RX-7 pero this doesn't change the fact that an RX-7 isn't suitable for beginners as a first car. Pero don't get me wrong, you are free to pick whichever car you want to buy as a first car kasi pera mo yan. If you can afford an RX-7, go for it. But I strongly recommend that the RX-7 isn't a good choice. So ikaw, do you love the RX-7? Kasi yes, I love the RX-7 too. Are there any more reasons kung bakit hindi siya suitable as a first car? Comment mo below. Also, I do have a Facebook group and I do post on there occasionally, so make sure you follow the page. And if you like this video, magugustuhan mo din itong video na to on how to be a proper car enthusiast. And with that being said, thanks for watching, keep safe, and I'll see you on the next video.